Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening settings now. Make sure the device is unlocked and running recent Android updates, because menu names vary by vendor. Tap the gear icon from the app drawer or pull down the notification shade and tap the gear. Once in settings, look for notifications. If you don't see it, open network and internet or sound and vibration instead, since some manufacturers nest emergency alert settings there. Now navigate into the notifications section and tap advanced or a wireless emergency alerts entry. Different phones label it differently. Once inside, choose emergency alerts, government alerts, or cell broadcasts to reveal alert categories. You'll see separate toggles for amber alerts, extreme threats, severe weather, and test alerts. Turn off any specific categories you don't want. Keep extreme threat alerts on if you want life safety notifications. Finish by saving any visible settings and restarting your phone so carrier services pick up the change. If alerts still come through, check the carrier app or system apps like Cell Broadcast. They can override settings, open apps, show system apps, and inspect permissions. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking desired alerts. If problems persist, temporarily disable the carrier app notifications or perform a network settings reset. This usually clears stuck broadcast registrations and resolves persistent alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.